I came to destroy, Troy. I'll kill some noob. Just wait a sec, let me 1v1 this noob. Game to game, take a swig. Yeah, there must be something I could get to make my task easier. Yeah, I shoot my bullets at the noob all time, saying ayo, newbie KO. Material remains to me, saying ayo, not today, yo. And then I'll go to work under the break tree, and I'll make myself a rocket launcher, and I'll use it for killing you, and I'll do it all using rocket launcher. I'm a noob, begging for stuff. I don't have any Robux, Game to game, I will roam. Yeah, because I'm a noob, I will beg for all your loot, yeah. I shoot my bullets at the noobs all time, saying ayo, newbies KO. Material remains to me, ayo, not today, yo. And then I'll go back to my tree, and I'll make myself a rocket launcher, cause in my world, I rule with my rocket. Gonna kill every noob, yeah, yep, I'm the ruler of my world. All the noobs will fear me, cause I rocket launcher. A rocket launcher is just really cool. It's just really cool. So I'll just shoot my bullets in the air. I shoot my bullets at the noobs all the time, saying ayo, noob KO. Material remains to me, say ayo, not today, yo. And then I'll go back to my tree, and I'll make myself a rocket launcher, cause I will rule the world with rocket launchers.